Hey folks, thanks for stopping in to see us at the Clear Creek Cabin. So we finally decided it's time to get chickens. In fact, we just got back from going and getting them today. It was a great day, had a great time, and we're going to share that video with you. We did a lot of research and looked into the different breeds and types of chickens. There's hundreds and hundreds of types of chickens that you can get out there. Leghorns, banties, any kind you can imagine. So we did a lot of research. We were looking for a medium-sized chicken between 8 to 10 pounds, one that was extremely friendly and easy to handle, wasn't aggressive. We wanted something that was going to be a very good egg layer and a possibility of being a meat bird should we decide that we needed to eat them. You know, when you have a flock of chickens, there's always a possibility that you can get outnumbered with roosters, and then you're not getting any advantage of having the eggs from the hens. So there is always a possibility that you may eat a few, or if you decide to raise them to eat them, you can raise them to eat them. That's not going to be our choice. That's really not what we're planning on doing. So anyways, after a lot of research, we picked the Orpington chicken. The Orpingtons are a medium-sized chicken, 8 to 10 pounds. They're extremely, extremely friendly. They are easy to handle, usually are very good health. They lay between 150 to 200 eggs a year. And again, because they're a good sized bird, between 8 and 10 pounds, they are large enough to eat and again, make it worth your while. Again, that's not the plan. So there's several ways that you can find chickens like this. Obviously, you can go to your local Tractor Supply or local feed store and take your potluck and get whatever chicken that they've got. There's also several very large online poultry farms that sell through the internet. They'll ship them directly to your home, guarantee them live, and you can get pretty much any kind of breed you can imagine. We didn't really want to do that. We figured if we were going to do it, we wanted to see where the chickens came from, take a look at the farm where they were raised, you know, the parents, and support locally. We didn't really want to order something out of Ohio and out of North Dakota or something like that. So after a lot of research, we found several of the poultry farms here in eastern Tennessee, and the one that we zeroed in on is in southeast Tennessee, down below Athens, and the name of the farm is called the Homestead Poultry. It's actually homesteadpoultry.net. It's run by a wonderful lady. Her name is Delinda Crawford. She was wonderful to deal with. She has an absolutely beautiful little farm tucked away at the base of the Appalachians, and we really enjoyed working with her. So again, we'll share that video with you today, and we'll show you the ones that we picked. We went in with the intention of getting 6 chickens with the hope that we would get 5 hens and 1 rooster. But of course, we're going to have to take potluck on that. Delinda only sells straight run chickens. She doesn't sex them in advance. And there's a reason for that. There's no guarantee when you get a baby chick that it's absolutely 100% sure whether it's going to be a pullet or a cock. So she works under the belief that it's better to sell them straight run, which means you're going to just take your own pick. They are what they are. And then that way she doesn't disappoint her customers. And I think that's a great way to deal. Advantages are you're getting a local chicken. You're dealing with someone that you know and you can talk to on the phone and pick up the phone and ask questions if you need to. Disadvantages are they're not going to be sexed by some doctor or veterinarian that does it, or someone who's trained at one of these large locations to do this on a daily basis. I'm sure their accuracy is very good. So we decided to do it this way. We'll take our chances. So again, we went in with the idea that we were going to get 6. We came out with 8. We saw 2 more that we just couldn't resist. We went in specifically to get Lavender Orpingtons. They're a beautiful chicken. They're a light blue color, lavender color, absolutely beautiful. Again, Orpingtons are very friendly. While there, we picked out 2 Jubilees as well. Again, very beautiful birds, and I'll share you some of the pictures of those as well, so you can see what they're going to look like when they're fully grown. So anyways, come on along with us today. I'll show you the video of us going to the farm and picking out our chickens. She got a beautiful farm. I got some wonderful pictures of the animals that are there. And we actually bumped into something very, very neat to see on the way home that I also want to share with you, but you'll have to watch the video to see that. So come on along for the journey. It was a great day. And again, thanks a lot for coming back to see us here at the Clear Creek Cabin. Yeah, you go ahead and get in the car, honey. I'll be with.
That's another day.
Oh yeah, isn't he beautiful? Yeah. Hi, Big Tom. You doing good? Look at you. Oh, you're so handsome. You're so handsome. Look at you. And this must be your mate. All busy guys. Yeah. Where's your bucket? You were just throwing Where's your bucket? Hello, buddy. Okay, we're all set for the night. We have the main brooder with 7 of the babies in there. They have their water, their food, and what you're seeing down here is a little temperature gauge that we have. That's a remote temperature gauge that will send out notifications to our phones if it goes out of range. And then we have pasty butt over here. This is the little chick that we found had pasty butt. We cleaned up her little hiney and put a little Vaseline on there. And because her little vent is now exposed, the other chicks were pecking at it. So we don't want to have her be injured. So we put her in a separate pen, and she has her own little thermometer in there to check the temperature of food, water, and we put the little teeny Tractor Supply chick in there with her so she doesn't feel like she's alone. So we're all set for the night. We'll see how it goes. Night, little chicks. Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. No fighting.